We're going to show how to make a perfect egg every time. We're going to start with scrambled eggs. So we want to crack them into a bowl separately first. If you get a shell, just take the bigger cracked egg, scoop it out with that. It's an easy way to get out instead of trying to fumble around with your fingers. Beat the eggs. All right, now that you have those beat together, we're going to throw 2 tablespoons of butter onto our non-stick pan. You want to have it on medium-low heat. Once you have it nice and foamy like that, let's go ahead and throw a little salt and pepper into our scrambled eggs. And go ahead and pour that, mix it together, and pour it into our pan. Let it go all to the sides. Don't feel like you have to mix it yet. Just let it go all the way to the sides. Okay, you don't want to mix it right away. You want to wait till the edges start to set. So Tyler, come in on these edges. Let them see that. Okay, you see how the edges are starting to set? Once they've set a little bit, then we can start pushing from the outside in. We want to start pushing from the outside in. And start breaking that thing up. And start to mix it all around. Once you have it 3/4 of the way cooked, about right here, we're going to add in the secret ingredient, which is 1 more tablespoon of butter that I've cubed up. Get it nice and mixed together. And there you have it, folks. It's just like it came from Cracker Barrel or Shoney's. We got restaurant level eggs at home. All right, next we got the fried egg. So we want to get this 1 tablespoon of butter cooking. While it's this part, we want to go ahead and just add in our little bit of salt and pepper. Try to crack it to where it doesn't spread out too much. Now while it's at about this point, get it cooked, we're going to throw in just a little bit of water. We're going to throw a lid on top so it's able to steam for a couple minutes. All right, so let's take it off.
Oh man.
And see, because we let it steam, it doesn't have that snotty top. It got nice and cooked around there. And we got a nice fried egg. We just got the yellow part running like we want it. All right, then we're gonna take 3 glass bowls. Space them out in our 3-inch saute pan. We're gonna take the 3rd one and transfer our eggs into there. You see how it's going to contain the egg white as it starts to form around the egg yolk. So if you ever wonder, like, an easy way to make poached eggs at home, this is the way right here. After about a few minutes, let's go ahead and take these snotty guys out of there. Now it's not going to look like your traditional poached egg. We'll have a little different shape because we did it in the glass bowl. It'll have the same effect. Go ahead and take that out of there. Let it dry on our paper towel here. You cut into it and it's got a nice little bleed. See that right there? Come in on that bleed. So this is perfect for like an Eggs Benedict if you want to try it at home.
That looks really good, Sean.
Thanks, dude. We're gonna do the hard-boiled egg. I'm excited to hear your opinions on this. We start with cold water. That way it cooks the inside as well as the out. If you do it while it's already hot, the inside may not be cooked. So we start with cold water and we're gonna bring this to a hard boil. Now that we have it to a rolling boil, we're going to take it off the heat, put the lid on. We're going to leave it for about 4 minutes because we're doing soft boiled eggs. All right, so we're going to take the lid off. It's been in there for about 5 minutes. Now, depending on if you want it like a softer boil, you do 5-ish minutes. If you want a medium harder, you want to do 10, 12. But we're doing a little bit softer. So once we've taken it off the heat, we're going to put it straight into an ice bath. That way it'll stop cooking immediately. And once they're in the ice bath, we want to leave it in there for at least 10 minutes before taking them out. And they should be ready to go. Now we've had it in the ice bath for at least 10 minutes. Go ahead and take it out. Give it a little tap. Just roll it around. Peel it off. I like to get it off with my fingers like this. But here we got a nice boiled egg, about soft to medium. And there we go, guys. How to make a perfect egg every time.